is something you don't see very often. Brand new construction right here in central Lakeland in a very established neighborhood close to everything. This is built by Hulbert Homes. I'm going to show you the floor plan, give you a little aerial view of the street. Let's take a look at it. All right, so I want you to use your imagination because we are under construction, pre-drywall on this brand new home. This one's going to be really nice. I've got a floor plan of it if you are interested. It is built by Hulbert Homes. No HOA in a very nice established neighborhood. Let me just walk out here so you can kind of see. You've got Kelly Recreation, if you want to reference that on the map right here. You've got a Walmart right up the road here. Chipotle, walking distance. If that's not a selling point, I don't know what is. But you can see it's just a very nice established neighborhood, very quiet. And what you'll see, like this case, is builders, investors will find lots or maybe tear down houses and then build something brand new, which is the case here. So let me just show you here. Let's get around. You can see it's going to have a nice size 2-car garage. Great front porch. Now you can expect all the upgrades that Hulbert Homes has to offer with this one. This is going to be, again, you've got to kind of get your visual board out here to be able to see what we got going on, because we got drywall that is coming. So we're going to kind of walk through the house together so you can kind of get an idea of what this is going to look like. All right. So let's start right here on the right. This is going to be one of the full bedrooms. Lots of natural light in here because, again, of course, we're under construction with no power. So look at all the natural light, double windows looking out of the front. Another window here and then a closet. You can see all the intricate electrical and AC ductwork coming in, which is really kind of cool to see the inside. You do get a 1-year builder's warranty with this home. There's all the drywall that's going to start going up. They put a lot of the insulation here. You can see all the ductwork. Pretty fascinating. Look, by the way, look how tight all the electrical is tucked in. Right? I mean, you can tell this is going to be a well-built home. So you're looking at your kitchen. You see the island there. So you're going to have kitchen all in here. Got your pantry. There's your sink right there. So you can have the window right over the sink. Fridge here to the right. A lot of times, and you can see here, there's some breakdowns of some cabinets and some different things here. Get the dishwasher. So you can kind of see right here, right there's the dishwasher. So it's going to pretty much be, there's your window. There's some ideas of what that looks like. Cabinets below, of course, and above. You'll have quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. Your range is going to go right here. There's your 220 and then your vent. Fridge to the right. Pretty cool. Growing up a home builder's son, always been fascinated by the inner workings of a new home under construction. But I don't know if you can tell by this video, this is a massive, long house. Really, really nice. Look how long this is. Look at all the windows along here. High ceilings. You can see it's really going to be nice and open. Again, got to use your imagination. We'll go out back in a second. All the insulation they've got here. Very important because you want those low electric bills. Who doesn't want that? Let's go back to the front of the house to keep our bearings straight. All right, so kitchen, front bedroom. We're going to take an immediate left to go down here, the hall. This is going to be your laundry area. Big laundry area too, by the way. Look at all the can lights, 3 of them, and an AC vent. Big laundry room. Coming into our 2-car garage. Your electrical box is going to be right here. And your water heater will be right here in this corner. You can see by the plumbing. They'll drop it right in the corner here. Garage door opener, pre-wired, and they'll have the opener in there, so it's all set up. So that's the first left. Your second left, let's go down this way. So you can see we're right off the main road here. This is, or the main hallway, I should say. Here's your guest bath or your other full bathroom. See, sink, toilet, tub, shower combination. It's all cut out. This has got to just impress you as it does me, how well insulated this is. Look at this. I mean, this is good stuff right here. Everywhere before they put up drywall. So it's gonna help with sound. It's gonna help with keeping the temperature, you know, at the rate it's supposed to be at. So there's your full bath. Let's walk back here to the hallway. Okay, and then this is gonna walk right into a bedroom with a closet. High ceilings, okay? Your closet's gonna kick around to the right. All right, all nice double pane windows made by MI Windows and Doors. A little hard to tell from this, but solid windows. All right, let's keep going. We're gonna, we've seen that. Now, let's go back this way. This is gonna be our primary suite, which I've already previewed this. This is really nice. First of all, notice how you have a little entrance back here, which is kind of nice. So you kind of tuck around here, and then it's got a big primary suite. Really nice. Love that window above the bed, all the natural lighting there. But it's nice size. You can tell from the video here. I'm looking. It looks. You can tell how big it is. We're still put, you know, some type of pre-wire here if you want to hang a TV. Drop a comment below. How many of you have TVs in your bedroom? Do you like doing that, or just save it for the living room, family room? Drop a comment below. What's your thoughts on that? Okay, heading back to the area here, we're gonna have our master bathroom. So a couple things to note. You're gonna have double sink. So here's one. We'll have nice cabinets and mirror. There's your electrical right up there. Right across from it, you're gonna see, this is gonna be our other, here, hold on. I'm getting a little bit mixed up. There's our cabinets. And then there's a picture of the sink. Now they're obviously gonna cut that pipe off. This will be a walk-in shower right here. Got that window way up high for privacy, and it just kind of tucks around here. Here's gonna be your shower. This will be a little port where you'll put shampoo from inside the shower here. It's not gonna be a window. Imagine that being a window to somebody using the bathroom. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Doing okay? Great. Now, that's a little bit of an awkward conversation. Because this is your toilet room right here. Obviously, this is all drywall. That's your other bedroom we were just in. Okay, so you have an idea. So you have sink across the way, the other sink. And then look at the closet. This is a master closet. Huge. Nice size. And it tucks around here too. It's amazing how this insulation has already got this house more quiet as I'm talking. So this is a huge closet. Okay, so that gives you an idea. Some people think a home looks smaller without the drywall. Some people think that it looks larger. What do you think? Everybody's got their own opinion. Now here is going to be, as you can see, a French door that's going to lead out into the lanai, which is under truss, meaning it's not an add-on aluminum. This is all under truss. You can see what I mean. There's trusses. They'll finish all that ceiling, lights, and of course this is set up for stucco. This is when they put stucco over this for your corners of your block, and then they secure this. They nail this. Looks like it's nailed onto the block. And then they do that for all of these kind of areas. Little construction in sight. And this goes all the way around here. Looks like there's going to be a nice shade tree on this lot. And it kind of winds around here. So nice sized lot. It'll be fully sodded. Landscaping in the front. Don't know what they're going to do around the back here. We'll wait and see. A lot of your mechanical equipment will go over here. Aluminum soffit. Look at this backyard. Pretty nice size for an in-town location. Right, so again, you're right off South Florida Avenue, near Chipotle, near the Central Walmart. You're 10 to 12 minutes from downtown Lakeland, more of a side yard here. See how the windows are all framing up? And again, here's your lanai. So nice size lanai. I'll find out if it's gonna be screened or open. But if you're interested in this house, it's currently on the market. But it is absolutely available. All the colors are picked out, very neutral, very well done by the Hulbert Homes decorator. So if you're interested in pursuing this house, my contact information is below. I'd love to have a conversation with you and talk to you about next steps. All right, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Thank you for using your imagination at this walkthrough of this Hulbert home right here on Princess Avenue. All my contact information is below. Let's talk about your situation in your real estate needs, whether you're buying or selling anywhere in the Central Florida area. If you found this video to be of help to you, do me a favor, subscribe to this channel. Whenever I drop more home walkthrough videos and other valuable content about buying or selling anywhere in this area, would love to help you. We have a small team here, over 60, 70 years of experience that we'd love to kind of walk alongside you. We've helped thousands of homeowners buy and sell property. So, hey, are you next? Let's have a conversation. 863-647-8600. God bless. Have a great day.